Today at Battery Guys Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2021 Chevy Spark. Step 1, you will need to take off the battery bracket that is holding down the battery itself. You will need a 13mm socket for long extension to take off the battery bracket itself. Once you get that screw started, you want to go and use your fingers and just finish unscrewing it with your fingers and just grab it with your hands, because you don't want to get that bolt pop loose open in the engine. And you might not find it. 9 out of 10 times you might not find it. It's gonna get stuck somewhere, and unless you got a magnet, it's definitely be hard to find. So we suggest just grab it with your hand. The next thing, you will need a 10mm socket to take off your negative terminal. It's also known as the black cable right there, known as the ground. Just kind of wiggle it a little bit if it's kind of tight, and it should come loose for you freely. Sometimes you can take off that bolt, but just wiggle it, just like we did here in the video itself. It'll come loose. Now proceed to your positive, which you have the red cable, and do the same exact thing to just use your 10mm and disconnect that terminal from that post right there as well. So now you should be able to reach in there and grab your battery out of the vehicle itself. We're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this vehicle today. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guys Nation here, and we're adding great value today just by watching this video. Just do us a favor and give us a thumbs up and push the video to the algorithm to give another user here on YouTube a little free advanced game and instructions exactly how to install your battery 2021 Chevy Spark. Likewise, if you're needing a battery for your vehicle or any other vehicles you have at your place of living or business, you can jump over to our website at batteryguyswithz.com and pick yourself up the world's best reconditioned battery delivered directly to your home or business. Free delivery, half the cost, up to a 2-year warranty as well. The next step is you want to go ahead and reconnect the battery bracket to bolt down your battery itself. Just use your fingers to get it going. You don't want to use your socket set first, because you don't want to get that bolt loosened into the engine. So just get it started with your fingers first. Make sure you get it all down. I'll say about ½ an inch down. Then you can use your ratchet set to go ahead with your long extension and go ahead and tighten up that battery bracket itself. Next step, you want to go ahead and connect your positive cable back and get your 10mm socket and tighten that screw down as well. And next, you're going to go connect your negative, which is also known as your ground, to your terminal. Just use your 10mm socket as well and tighten up that bolt as well. And that's how you install a battery in a 2021 Chevy Spark.